My boyfriend is my dog's boyfriend.
Times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me.